What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, it's just a fun video, okay? I'm sure you guys, if you haven't, check out Peter Mckinnon. He is big on Instagram, YouTube as well. I went ahead and he has this side business basically called Pirates Pete, and I indulged because some of the stuff that he's been dropping is actually pretty cool. Alright, so this video is strictly to just look at the new Kraken version 2. Okay, so this is his little EDC coin, and it's quite pricey actually. This initial drop was $100 for the first version of, or the first version of version 2. How's that? So anyway, I just want to do a quick little fun unboxing because they really take good care of their presentation. And in fact, the box this came in was actually pretty cool because the bottom said wrong side Einstein. I thought that was comical. So anyway, this is all about the presentation. This is like pirate booty, so to say. You've heard challenge coins and stuff like that people are carrying in their EDC these days. Well, this is kind of like that, only this is just, it's not really a challenge coin, but it is cool. So let's take a look. First off, I love the box, okay? So it's got some nice looking pirate artwork and stuff on it. Just a great presentation. The skull and bones here in gold. Absolutely stellar presentation on this box. So let's go ahead and open the box. And look at this. Alright, there we got the box. Let's sit it down. See, this is like pirate treasure or something. This is a cool effect for the box. So here we go. We're going to open this up. Now, I haven't done this yet, so fly the flag. That's his little hashtag motto there. Look at that. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and extract the little wooden box. The presentation, man. Just beautiful. Alright. So now we have this like little redwood looking box here. So let's go ahead and get it open, maybe. I can figure out the combination. Let's see. Gotta push. Wow. Alright. So the box has got me stumped behind the camera, so let me pause the video and oh wait, maybe I can see this here. Oh, alright, when we pause the video, I'll be right back. I can't do this behind the camera. So you can see the presentation is just beautiful. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Look, this is the only way to open it. There we go. Oh, look at there, guys. Look at the pirate booty. Look at that. It's a little drawer. Aye. Look at that. Look at that beautiful piece of work. Now, I believe this is solid brass. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, doesn't stop there. You get a little leather sleeve. You don't want this thing to get all dinged up while it's in your pocket, right? There we go. I think that's everything. Yep. Just get a little black paper with some skulls on it. Let's see. Skull. That is just cool. Little beads in there to keep things good. And now you got this cool little wooden treasure chest. I don't know what you want to do with it, but you could set it on a shelf somewhere. It looks really, really cool. You could keep your coin in there if you wanted to versus carrying it with you. You got your pirate booty right here. So, how do you get these? So these are, a lot of the drops that he does are rare. So you just gotta follow him on Instagram, Pete's Pirate Life, and they'll announce drops. So what I highly recommend is, sometimes they were just doing them like, hey, here's a drop. Lately, they've been kind of announcing them, like there's going to be a drop on this date at this time. So you try to get on and beat the mad rush, because usually people are in there buying this, and this stuff does not last very long. That's what I would suggest. I'll put a link in the show notes if you're interested in getting some of his other products, because he doesn't just have these coins. Just high quality stuff. He has whiskey glasses that he's done before. Just all sorts of different stuff. Little notepads, pens. He's doing some jewelry lines now. He's very, very good photographer-wise. So a lot of the stuff that he does is just elegant, and it just blends into photography really well. And that's what he's big on, is taking great shots of stuff like this and presentation, and that's why this is beautiful. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, like I said, it's just a fun, quick video to throw out here because I like the presentation. Fly the flag. So if you're a Peter Mckinnon fan, you'll understand this. If not, go check him out, because he really does really good work. Great guy, and he's done stuff for the community, and he's just, he's a YouTuber that I would say follow for certain. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this fun, quick little, just kind of a break from the normal, everyday stuff we've been doing, and you like it. Have a good one, guys.